airplane pose. Come down to the ground and stand on your knees. Then stretch your arms out to your sides, making your airplane wings. Great! Place your right hand on the ground and reach your left hand up to the sky, waving to all the flying birds. Hi, birds! Now step your left foot on the ground and shoot your right leg out to the side, lifting your right side of your hip up to the sky. Great job, warriors! Come back onto your knees, bringing your arms out long, and place your left hand on the ground and your right hand up in the air, waving to all our bird friends. Now ground your right foot and shoot your left leg out to the side, and lift your left side of your hip towards the sky. Wonderful! This pose is great for strengthening your whole body, including your arms, legs, wrists, and core, which is your back and tummy muscles.